Hey guys, so if we're looking on how we can connect the Era 300, the 4-ohm Sonos, to your TV. I don't know what kind of TV you got. So the first thing that you need to do is it's going to be connected through the Bluetooth. So what you need to do is that when you're going to have, let's say, Samsung Bluetooth TV, and you have to go to settings, then you're going to go to Bluetooth, and then you're going to choose the sound output. You have to connect it to your TV. So to do it, the one thing you want to do, you just want to unpair all devices from the Sonos Era speaker. Then power off your speaker and then turn it back on. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on the back. Then go to your TV's Bluetooth discovery screen and wait for Sonos for Era's Bluetooth profile to show up. And using the remote, select the connection to pair to. So this is something that you can try to do, and many people wrote here is that they connected through the Bluetooth also. And you could connect your TV to Era 300 through the Bluetooth if your TV supports it. So try it out. Maybe it's going to support it. I hope it does. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.